Hello, my name is Santiago, and today I'm gonna show you how to use the AI assistant directly from your command line assign. This is a tool created by Atlassian. Uh, so right now I'm gonna do step by step and how to use it. Right now you have to log in with your credentials, in this case your email and your API. Here's the link where you can create your API, and the API should be with no scopes. After that, we're gonna run the raw dev. We're gonna wait, and here we can write whatever we want about, for example, this repository. I'm gonna write what is mobile primary about. Is the repository that I have created here. We have to wait. And as you can see here, is thinking about and checking all the configurations in this repository. Here I have the response. And it's checking the overview, the state, the vision, the planned infrastructure, everything about this repository. For example, I can ask something like what I should improve next. So right now it's gonna analyze all the code and it's gonna give me an answer with this thing. Also, you can ask to improve the code, to, for example, create a coding plan to implement, or create, for example, a web page in this repository. Right now, it's giving me the plan in the response, as you can see here. So here I have here the clean architecture, add an expression, implement memory system, and more steps to follow. This is the recommendation and the steps. I'm gonna also show you the code reviewer, how it is used. Right now, I also have my repository here, and I want to see the pull requests. I have a new pull request here, and the code reviewer is gonna look for all my code and suggest some changes before it. You can activate it here. And as you can see here, I have AI code reviews in this repository and an acceptance criteria check. This will run always when I create a new pull request. Also, I can reply, resolve, delete, or create a task in Jira, for example. I can choose in what space, in what project I want to create it. So I hope this will be useful to you, and thank you for watching.